Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Court Love. In this video, I'm showing you how I installed this lace wig. In week's video, I showed y'all how I styled it and pinned it up, and now I am installing it. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video because you know it helps the channel out. And let's get into this video. the final look. I like this, like, girl, it's making me look super lighter on camera with this dark hair like this, but I like it. It's cute. All black, everything, you know. I love a nice dark look, but I promise you, yo, it's just the light. I'm not this daggone light, as y'all can see in my other videos. Let me see if I can turn down the light a little bit. I still look light. But anyway, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video and comment down below to tell me how you like this. I know I probably should have put something brighter so y'all can see the hair, because the hair is like, these are the curls. I'm sorry, y'all. I should have thought about that. But anyway, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me how you like this video. And till next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.